Hello everyone, this is Bryant with SFOT Source, your premier guide to Six Flags Over Texas. We're out here at Six Flags Over Texas for the final weekend of Hallowfest 2020. So as you all know, you may know, we've been out here already this year. We showed you the daytime activities. Most of today is going to be nighttime activities. We're hoping to have a little better luck in the scare zones than we had last time. We're going to just walk around the park, see if anything has changed, see if they're getting Holiday in the Park up and ready to go. Very excited to be here. I have a feeling it's going to be a pretty busy night, but I am excited about a little bit cooler weather than the last time we've been here. So they're still requiring reservations. So as far as I know, yes, tomorrow, which will be when this video comes out, October 31st, completely booked. And at the filming of this video, they still have dates on November 1st, which is the Sunday. So if you want to come out here, you have one more chance for Hallowfest on Sunday. Let's head into the park. I did want to point out that just like the other Six Flags parks we've been to, they are cashless and they have these free cash conversion machines. They have a couple right when you enter. I'm sure they have more around the park as well.
That's an awesome reel.
Here's a food item that we didn't know about. It's the Hellhound Jumbo Hot Dog. And it's basically like ghost pepper sauce on a hot dog with kettle chips. And since it has kettle chips, I pretty much know that it's from Granny's Grill, but Granny's Grill isn't open. So maybe if you come on an actual weekend day and not a Friday, you can get it. So if you're coming the next 2 days, you might have access to this. And if you head out to the park here pretty soon, you may notice that one of the most popular coasters at the park is reopened. That's Batman the Ride here in the Gotham City section. And so keeping up with the theme of ride reopenings, Cloud Bouncer has reopened, which is over here by the entrance to Judge Roy Scream. So it's interesting. I'm actually curious to walk around the rest of the park and see what other rides have reopened, because they've all kind of reopened at the same time. And if y'all follow along with Six Flags news, you would have known there's a new park president. So maybe this all lines up, but it's very exciting to see a lot of these attractions reopening. And if you're at the park, I tried to get a video of this, I was too far away, but the train is making test runs, and you can see they've cleared the track out so that the train can get by. So it looks like the Six Flags Railroad might be opening anytime. I don't know if it's going to be today or this weekend, but they definitely are doing test runs. The sun is beginning to set here at Six Flags Over Texas, and we stopped off in the Mexico section at Casa de las Banderas and got the fajita chicken nachos, which is a meal on the dining pass. There it goes, and you can see all the goodness on there. This isn't open very often, so I wanted to jump in and grab a bite. So I just want to say the food was delicious, and the service at Casa de las Banderas was also fantastic. So let's go find some Halloween stuff to get into. catch this self-playing piano here at the courthouse stage in Texas. And this was something that was added after our opening weekend visit to Hallowfest. So this is really cool. Self-playing piano, kind of like a classic type of attraction, but really fun. And you can also see you got this skeleton guy here just kind of shaking this chandelier. They're really into their skeletons shaking stuff this year, but I'm not complaining. I think it's a lot of fun. Folks, we've made our way onto Goblin Bridge, which is one of our Halloween zones. This monster's really letting people have it. Man, he's walking with a purpose, and the walking is scaring people. Looks like there's a lot more kind of lighting and effects happening since we were out here last. He's hiding. I don't know where he went. I think he's behind there. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. Oh, 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 oh.
There he is, Natalie.
It's definitely very eerie down here. But still kind of just like your two monster setup kind of on the one end. Lots of fog though. Lots of fog. You can see here in the Texas area, if you look close enough through the fog, we've got some Christmas lights up on this building, and then of course we've got this tree off in the distance showing Christmas lights. So Holiday in the Park is quite close by and almost upon us. The fun thing about tonight is that the fog is really sticking around, so even though we're not in the Halloween zone per se, very, very spooky. I think we're gonna head over to the tower section and take a look at Terror Under the Tower, which was a very active scare zone during our first visit. Lots of monstering going on. This area in front of the old entrance to Gold River Adventure has certainly kind of livened up a little bit since the first weekend, just a little more lighting. But they did put a fog machine out here, and that changes everything, because there's no monsters but lots of fog. Ooh, spooky.
Howard Charles. Beginning of
Welcome back to Six Flags.
Uh-oh. As we head into the tower section, we've got another Christmas light surprise. But there are also Christmas lights kind of all over the trees and stuff over here too. They're just not turned on yet, but it's always fun to see what looks like is going to be a good amount of lights. You always know when there's monsters nearby because everyone's acting like the world is ending. So this is Terror Under the Tower. We'll take the scenic route around and see what's going on. Oh geez, there he is. It's a big old demon. It's a big old demon. He's here to take everyone's souls, or just stand there and look scary. I don't know. You can decide which one. Uh-oh.
Hi.
Oh geez. Oh geez. It's like a social experiment. Oh man. Might have to wait for some new people to come through. These people aren't too impressed. It's turned into a photo op, but I do like the ambiance over here with the cobble. Classic. Got him.
They're getting ready for the house. I got the air conditioners on and everything.
It's always fun to get nighttime shots of the park from Oil Derrick. It doesn't happen super often. Look at all that fog. I know we can't go into the maze because we're too old, but that doesn't mean we can't look at the Mystic Acres trick-or-treat maze from up here. A really fun idea. And the other thing you can see from up here is the beginnings of the Frosty Snow Hill, which will obviously be returning for Holiday in the Park. So they're getting a good head start on getting the real, authentic, fun snow hill ready for the event. You got me. This is something that we didn't see last time we were here. There's like a little kind of grave site with coffins set up right here next to Newman's in the tower section. And that jump scare that just got me is also located out here in the tower section. Alright folks, we're coming up on Toxic Danger, which is the Halloween zone in front of Justice League. Battle for Metropolis. We got some monsters out here this time. Let's see what's going on. It is getting increasingly more busy out here for sure. But you can see we've got the truck. And I see at least one monster. Oh, there's one on the floor. Oh. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's another one over here. What's he doing? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I like these little puppet things. Uh-oh. Over here in the France section, and they added some more cobwebs and lighting. Very fun. Actually made that little post up there look really cool. Here's our final Halloween zone, which is Purgatory here in the Old South section in front of Southern Palace Theater. Let the fog clear. Let's see what we got. You can see we've kind of shown you this last time with all the fire in the windows. Got all the spooky skeletons and lighting and everything. And there is I hear a chainsaw. Uh-oh, there he is. There he is. What's he doing? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. We're in Purgatory, everyone. Oh, he's, yeah, get away. Yeah. Look at this spooky woman. She's not having a good day. I think he might be the only guy out here right now, but he's living his life. Oh man, y'all came into the wrong place. Came into the wrong place. The intimidation, it's fierce. It's fierce.
You know what? I'll give him this though. Considering the fact that we're in the middle of something that has killed a lot of people. That's just really something to want to think about right now. This has been a lot more. Where he did the branding thing. And so getting really warming up. Way about
I just wanted to point out that there are some more new menu items since we've been here last. At Macho Nacho, they have the Ghost Fire Burrito with chips and salsa. And I'll show you a couple other things I found on here. And then over at Oliver's Tavern, they have a chupacabra cheesesteak with tater tots and a chupacabra chicken cheesesteak with tater tots. And then of course, we showed you this last time, the secret menu item, which is the Philly quesadilla. I do believe most of this stuff is only available to the end of Hallowfest, but if you get out here quick, you have the opportunity to get it. And at Dry Hole Charlie's, we have the Inferno fries, which are a snack on the dining pass. And then at All American Cafe, we've shown you the Western Patty Melt on the secret menu, but you have the limited time offer, which is the El Diablo burger with fries. Alright everyone, that does it for our final visit to Hallowfest 2020 here at Six Flags Over Texas. If y'all are heading out to Hallowfest for this final weekend, make sure to check out our Hallowfest 2020 guide. It gives you all the information about the attractions, daytime activities, Halloween zones, everything. You can find the link to that in the description below. Today's visit was very nice. All of the interactions I had with staff were very positive. There's definitely it feels like a small shift happening here. You have all of these rides that have been closed for a while reopening. They're trying to get the train reopened. And, you know, I did run into the new park president, Ron McKenzie, out here. And you can tell he's very excited to be here. And I love to see that excitement and the kind of readiness to jump in and take on the job. And I think it's going to do a lot for the park. If y'all have any questions about Hallowfest or Six Flags Over Texas, please let us know in the comments below. Make sure to check out sfotsource.com. It is a full guide to Six Flags Over Texas. There's tons of history, information, tons of information about all the rides, dining locations, everything. And you'll also see thousands of park photos there. We thank you all for watching, and we'll see you soon at a theme park.